Time flies for content marketers who spend their days outlining Instagram strategies, researching hashtags, and making content plans. New features debut almost every month, and discerning trends is challenging. Coming up with reels, guides, and shop tabs can altogether make your head spin. Yet, good old Instagram stories remain the one Instagram constant that thankfully never changes. Released in 2016, stories are now Instagram's most popular feature. 500 million people use Instagram stories every day, with businesses creating 1/3 of the most viewed stories. Naturally, stories should not only remain, but be a vital part of your overall Instagram strategy. In other words, you can't ignore stories. So what should you be posting on it? Number 1. Use highlights to view traffic. When new users land on your Instagram profile, they may not yet know who you are. You've probably heard a million times before how important it is to have a great Instagram bio that catches the eye, quickly explains what your business does, and convinces new visitors to click that follow button. With the highlights feature, the bio section is a place not only where you tell the brand story, but also a place to convert visitors. Think of highlights as a short promo trailer for your business, and it becomes a perfect opportunity to show what your brand is all about, giving a sense of what your product offers and generate direct traffic to your sales landing page. Number 2. Ask for takeovers. Collaboration with influencers is an ever-growing Instagram trend. Still, many brands execute it by paying for a few sponsored posts on an influencer's feed, crossing their fingers and praying for some new followers to come through the tag mention. In a stories takeover, an influencer of choice takes over the brand account for a specified period of time to produce exclusive content. It used to be popular, but isn't that trendy anymore? That's a shame because there are so many benefits to doing stories takeovers. Number 3. Take polls and quizzes. While polls are a great tool to engage your audience, you can also use them for audience research. Instead of asking something for pure entertainment, find out what kind of content your followers want to see on the account. For instance, if your account focuses on travel, ask about destinations your audience wants to see. Their responses may surprise you. Either way, you'll learn if you should share more about that destination or not. Number 4. Shoutouts to competitors. Highly competitive in the fastest growing platform, Instagram was touted as all about community, but the harsh reality was few people really wanted to help anybody. Brands wanted to be featured usually needed to pay for every single mention, every single shoutout. That's precisely why helping each other out can be a useful change of mindset. Giving shoutouts on stories to another user or urging your followers to follow somebody else might seem like it makes no sense. Still, it builds relationships on social media. Your shout out to someone hoping to get a shout back. Number 5. Use unique templates. Last but not least, use questionnaire templates. They stand out, engage your audience, and are great to entice followers with cool freebies. It's easy to create them online. It's even better to create custom templates and let your followers screenshot them.